Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a delicious lemon mint salad dressing. The key to even a basic salad being delicious is the dressing. So for this recipe you're going to use the juice of one whole lemon. I've squeezed one right there, de-seeded of course. And I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, about a teaspoon. I'm going to add half a cup of fresh chopped mint leaves, like that. I'm going to do about 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Got a knack for that. 2 whole cloves garlic pressed. And finally, my secret ingredient, a nice dollop of artichoke paste. This is all natural, and artichoke really brings out the flavor of the lemon and mint. If you don't have artichoke paste available, you can also substitute with some Dijon mustard. Now I'm going to blend everything up. And voila, I made some earlier. Let's add to that right there. That is a beautiful, fresh, healthy green salad dressing. You're gonna love it. I suggest covering this and let it refrigerate overnight before you use it so that the flavors of the mint really come out in the dressing. And always shake well before applying to your delicious salad. Thanks for checking me out, guys. I'm Gabriel. Eat well.